Hi students, it's your teacher, Teacher Elo, and I'm here to help you learn about questions with am, is, and are, and where. Okay, so let's start. And we see here, Teacher Elo. So we're talking about questions with am, is, and are. So these are three verbs in the present tense, and they are the same as this one right here, as the be verb. Okay, so we just change it because it's an irregular verb. It has different rules. Okay, so we use it for present tense. All right, so that's anything we do that's true or that is a routine. Okay, let's look here. Let's make the chart. So if I talk about I, we say I am. He is. She is. It is. You are. We are. They are. Okay, so let's do a little review. When I talk about I, I'm talking about myself. For he, it's the same as one man, only one. She is the same as one woman. And it is the same as one thing or one animal. Okay, so an animal can be maybe a dog, a cat, anybody. You is a little tricky. You can be, it can be one or more people. Okay, so you is called the second person. It is the person that is listening. Okay, so right now the teacher is I because that's my mind. You, the students, can be one student, two students, three students, 1,000 students, but you are the person listening to me. We is you and me. Okay, so this is together, two or more, with me or with I. And they is just two or more people, anybody. So this can be two, three, four, or many people. Okay, so that's the grammar. One more time. I am, he is, she is, it is, you are, we are, they are. All right, very good. Okay, these are the questions. This is a yes or no question. This means the answer is yes or no. So we're going to use everything from here, those verbs. So if I talk about he is one man, so I need to say is. Is he from Colombia? Is he from Colombia? Your answer, yes he is. No, he isn't. Those are the choices, only yes or no. I cannot say, is he from Colombia? Brazil? No, that's not correct. I need to answer the question with a yes or a no. Okay, so on this second one with the negative, when I say no, he isn't, that's a contraction. So it's okay to say no, he is not. That's okay. No, he is not. All right, so the idea is isn't is the same as is not. This is your choice. So in English, when we talk very fast, very quickly. So we say isn't, it's fast. Okay, but you do not need to use it. It's okay to say he is not. That's okay. All right, next example is this one. Are they from Canada? Are they from Canada? Yes, they are. Yes, they are. No, they aren't. No, they aren't. Okay, so here we're talking about they. They is two or more people. So we remember they are. That's the grammar. I need to put are at the beginning. Right now it's a question. Are they? Okay, with your answer, again, you need to say yes or no. Yes, they are. Or the negative, no, they aren't. Okay, so again, aren't is a contraction. So it is okay to say this. No, they are not. That's okay. No, they are not. Okay, so again, we have that contraction here. Those are the same things. Right, again, if you speak English, we speak very fast. So we say aren't, aren't, aren't. Okay, but if you like, your choice, no, they are not. Perfect. All right, and I'm going to show you one more thing when we make a question. Oops. Okay, here's one more example here. It says, is she from Spain? Yes, she is. Okay, so I'm going to show you here what we're doing. All right, so when we make the question, we need to put is at the beginning. It's the first word. And that's because we have the question. Okay, but when we make the answer, we have to change it. So we see is, it goes to the end, and she moves. It moves to the beginning. So in English, yes, you need to move. Is she? She is. Is she? She is. Okay, and again, this is the period. All right, so this is where we see there's a little change in the questions for English. Okay, now we're going to do some practice over here. Okay, so we have, let's see, we're going to do the first three here. So you can pause the video to write your answers and then check them after you write them in your notebook. Okay, so I'm going to give you the answers, but try them first by yourself. Okay, number one, we have she. Okay, so the answer is she from Peru. The answer, no, she isn't. Okay, because it's the negative. They told us no. Next one is you. You. Are you from India? The answer, yes. What's the answer? Yes, I am. Okay, because this one is opposite. You and I. You and I. All right, number 3 is they. Remember, 2 or more people. We say, are they from Texas? No, they aren't. No, they aren't. Or no, they are not. Okay, very good. I hope you understand so far. Okay, let's look at this next one here. We have number 4 and number 5. Number 4, we have Mrs. Jansen. Mrs. Jansen. How many people is that? That's 1, right? 1 woman, because I see Mrs. right here. So I say, is Mrs. Jansen from Egypt? The answer, yes, she is. Yes, she is. This one, do not say yes, Mrs. Jansen is. That's too big. We don't do that. You just change it. Very small. Yes, she is. Okay, and 1 more. We have number 5, Laura. Laura. Again, this is 1 woman. So same thing. Is Laura from New York City? The answer, no, she isn't. No, she isn't. Okay, very good, very good. All right, remember, if you have questions, you can leave them in the comments and I'll check them and write you questions. Okay, next one. We're talking about questions with where. Where. So where is a place or a location, right? You need to tell me the place or the location. For example, a house, mountains, the office, or the city, the country, the classroom, the living room, right? Where is a place? Okay, so we're going to make questions with where. And you will see it's kind of easy. I think it's a little easy. So let me zoom in, we'll get a little closer. So here we have the same thing we practiced, right? Is he from? Okay, but I want to know the place. So I need to add where. Okay, I'll make it red here. Where is he from? Where is he from? And you see everything here. Is he? We practiced. Okay? It's not okay to say where he is from. Where he? No. We need to change. We need to move it. Where is he from? Okay? The answer, again, we move it. He is from Florida. He is. Okay, so that's the idea. We only add where. I think it's easy. Okay, let's look at this other example here. This one we have different people. We have are they. Are they? Okay, so again, I want to know the location. So I need to say where, because I want to know maybe the city or the building, maybe the classroom number. Where are they from? Okay, so what is the answer here? How do I start the answer? They are from Mexico City. Okay, this is an example. But again, because we're talking about many people, they, I need to say they. Okay, then we remember the grammar. We change it to are and are. Okay, don't forget your capital letters, right? Any city, state, country, you need capital letters here. All right, okay, let's try a little bit more practice with the grammar. I want to make sure you understand it very well. So right here, you're going to put the correct grammar, am, is, or are. Remember, you can pause the video, write it in your notebook, and then check the answers with me. Okay, let's check the answers. So number 1, we are from France. Very good. That's 2 or more people together. Number 2, she is from Ivory Coast. 1 woman, she is. Number 3, Mary and Francisco are from Mexico. Very good. 2 people. Number 4, I am from California. Okay, that's just me. And number 5, Mr. Richards is from London. Remember, Mr. is for man, 1 man. Okay, good review. So here, again, what I wanted to show you here was just that review, that when we make the answer, you always put that, go back here, we put that at the beginning, and the verb goes after. So that's that switch. We have to move it around. Okay, so just don't forget that. So we'll write it here. What is the answer? Where are they from? They are from Nashville. Perfect. Okay, so we do have to move a little bit, and this is English questions. They're always like this. I have more videos about English questions. I'll link them here, or you can search for them. All right, so let's see over here. 1 more. Where is he from? Right, he is from Italy, because we see he, 1 man, and the verb is. Perfect. And the last one here, this one is a little tricky, right? Sometimes we forget because we're looking at it and we're not listening to it. So when we have the question, where are you from? The answer is not you are from California. That's not correct. We cannot copy. So if I ask, where are you from? The answer is I. Yeah, I am from. Okay, so if we see the picture, we see the man here in blue. He's asking the woman, where are you from? Please tell me. And the woman, she answers, I, like I, teacher Elo, or I, Veronica, I'm from California. Okay, and remember, if you want more practice with me, you can go to the YouTube website for Teacher Elo, and you can go there, you can subscribe, and you can look at different videos I have for reading, for grammar, for writing. There's a lot of different things here for you to continue practicing with me. All right, so that's all for today. Thank you for your time, and we'll see you next time.